and welcome to the Futures free video for Thursday, April 13th. This is David, and let's take a look at the S&P 500. You all know that's what I like to trade, and I think we're in a tricky spot here that continues to favor the idea of short-term trading. So if we come in, take a look, right? We've kind of been in a chop range for the past week and a half or so until we broke out of it today to the upside, and we did close outside of it. However, there's a lot of reasons to think that there may still be some uncertainty to the next move as to whether this this advance from the March 13th low is going to continue, and whether that is going to continue to push us up beyond the February high, or whether there will be continued two-way action. So we'll cover that in the premium video. What I want to talk about tonight, however, is that I think this is still, as I said, a short-term trading market, an intraday trading market. And that's why I continue to be focused on using the micro Voodoo line levels. And if we come and take a look at them, I'll show you how they came in and worked today in the ES, which is what I was trading, right? We had a nice move up, start to the move up overnight, and then we held the micro Voodoo fire line. Those are the most important of the Voodoo line levels, and then came back above the snow line, right? Tested it from above and held. So that was my first trade, and I was again worried about the short-term nature of the markets. Just used the move up to the next snow line. I pulled about 10 points out of this. I wasn't sure that this was going to continue, even though it did the same thing. I should have trusted the levels and used the pullback that held support here to head to the upside. So I waited until we had a small pullback that held one of these minor levels and used that to take me up above the micro tree line, the second most important level. And so long as we hold that into tomorrow, then I'll continue to look short-term upwards, but I'm not convinced. Again, this is a market that changes direction frequently. So I'm not going to commit to whether I think we're going to wake up above or below this 41.67 level. And just trade the short-term moves between the levels for right now. That's how I'm looking at it. I do think, as I said before, that this remains a tricky market to have a view on trend from day to day. And so it's a fresh short-term look every day. This is how I'll be watching and trading it. Hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.